Alright, today I'm showing you how to make chicken nuggets from scratch. Not the frozen kind, the real deal, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and ridiculously easy. Let's get started. First up, let's prep our chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts, but thighs work great too. Cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces, about an inch wide. You want them all roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Now, let's talk seasoning. In a bowl, toss your chicken with a good pinch of salt, a bit of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Give it a mix so every piece is coated in flavor. Time to set up our breading station. You'll need 3 bowls. First bowl, about a cup of all-purpose flour. Second bowl, 2 eggs, beaten with a splash of water. Third bowl, 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Panko breadcrumbs will make your nuggets extra crispy, but regular works too. Take a piece of chicken, coat it in flour, shake off the excess, then dip it into the egg wash. Let the excess drip off, then straight into the breadcrumbs. Press it in so it's completely covered. Line them up on a plate or tray as you go. Now, let's fry. Grab a large skillet or pot and pour in enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom by about an inch. Heat it up over medium-high heat until it hits about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or toss in a breadcrumb. If it sizzles right away, you're good. Carefully lay the nuggets in, a few at a time. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they're golden brown and cooked through. You might need to do a few batches. Once they're done, transfer your nuggets to a plate lined with paper towels to soak up any extra oil. If you're baking instead, lay them on a baking sheet. Spritz with a little oil, and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15-18 minutes, flipping halfway through. And that's it. Crispy homemade chicken nuggets that put fast food to shame. Serve them up with your favorite dipping sauce, ketchup, honey mustard, maybe some sriracha if you're feeling spicy. So next time you crave nuggets, skip the drive-thru and give these a try. They're easy, super satisfying, and trust me, they'll disappear fast. Thanks for hanging out and happy cooking.